Hello there, today I'll be showing you how to make a working button inside of code.org in less than 2 minutes. Now the reason I'm making this is because in my class we spent a couple weeks just learning block code, and then the teacher told us to show what we know in beyond blocks, and nobody really knows what this is because we never saw this before. But I know a bit of JavaScript, so I could just make my way with this. So today I'll be showing you in less than 2 minutes how to make a working button. So what you want to do is you want to go to design, make sure it's screen one. First you want to make two screens. So you want to go to your first screen, drag in a button, go to events, and this. You want to click insert and show code. Basically what this means is when the button, which is named button 4, is clicked, it starts an event. So what you want to do is you want to put set screen and then your screen ID. So for me it's screen 2, but for you it could be something else. So we put in screen 2. Then at the end of our code, we put a semicolon to end it there. So now, if we click run, click the button, see it's taking us to screen 2. It just looks blank right now, but if we go to design, put screen 2, and I'll just put something just to show that it changed. So we go to screen 1, and now it takes us to screen 2. And you just do the same except with opposite numbers if you want a back button. Thanks for watching. If you want a link to some of the games I've made, I'll have them in the description.